For every second that a man seals his mouth, says the Gaon Vilna, he merits on that account to bask in a concealed light, something which no angel or other creature can imagine. As it's stated in Tehillim chapter 34, verse 13 and 14, who is the man who desires life and loves days that he may see good? Guard your tongue from evil and your lips from speaking deceitfully. So here we see that the Gaon Vilna is giving us a critical secret to success, but even more so, a cure. A cure for literally all ailments that a person brings on themselves. In simple street language, shut up more, you'll be better. That's in essence the simple terms. But we'll ask why? Why do I need to make myself a mute, as the sages advise? Best idea for a person is to make themselves into a mute. Don't speak things unless it's absolutely necessary. And even when it's absolutely necessary, you have to double check if it's permissible, despite your own understanding of it being necessary. And again, if there's no other choice. You have to understand that speaking has a price, a very big price. Such a big price that most of the damage that happens to a person's life is because of their speech, because of how they talk and what they say.